How to add products from Aliexpress to Shopify. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go sign in to our Shopify admin. So here we are actually routed to our homepage here in our Shopify account. Now all we need to do is go to the search bar and go to the apps section. Now the next thing is to go to your recommended apps. Here we're simply going to go to our Shopify app store since the application that we're looking for is not right here. So go to Shopify app store. Now, once you're routed to your Shopify app store, simply search in the search bar Deezers. So basically, Deezers is an app that is very popular, especially for drop shipping. So this is the AliExpress drop shipping, and it actually has a 14-day free trial. So the free plan is available for 14 days basically. Now I have added this application and I've used this one, so let's open the app and basically it will route us to our Deezers page. So here is our Deezers Find Supplier page. This is the first thing that you are going to see once you opened Deezers. So you can actually see a wide variety of categories. So you have here women's clothing. So as you can see, it will show you a selection of women's clothing once you've checked on that one. Now, beside the AliExpress logo, there's actually a filter right there, and where you can choose a certain category that you would like to go to. Like for instance, men's, apparels, and accessories, and the likes. Now, say for instance, we're going to go to the find supplier. Now let's simply look for an item here below. Simply scroll down. So for example, we are going to add this one, our wig right here. So this is a synthetic wig. So what we're going to do is to simply click add to import list or click the magnifying glass button. So here we can actually optimize our suppliers. Basically, this means that we can see more items of the same thing, but different suppliers. So we can actually compare the prices and the varieties of products that we have similar to the one that we have chosen. So here we are actually in our supplier optimizer. So here you can actually see different kinds of suppliers with their prices that also differ, and the shopping price. There's also like the stock number right there, and basically you could also see the ratings of their customers who have already purchased the said product. So say for instance we have this one which is really cheap, and at the same time it has a 5-star rating. So what we're going to do is to simply copy and paste the link right here, and basically we can see the product from AliExpress. Okay, so basically it has a 5-star review, and there you can see a wide variety or selection of synthetic wigs that you can also import or add to your Shopify store. So what we're going to do next is exit from this page, and basically we're going to add this to our import list by clicking on this button beside the star or the rating. Okay, now let's go to our import list since this has been successfully imported. Now here in our imported list, you will see the product has been added. Alright, so the next step that we're going to do is to simply click on this pencil icon in order for us to edit the product. So the first here is we can actually edit the title of the product. Now we just need to make it very detailed as much as possible, so that in the title section we also wouldn't mislead our our customers. Now you also have the collections section right here, the type, and tags, and also lastly the vendor. Now the next thing that you're going to do is to go to the variants section and choose the products that you would like to sell on your Shopify app store or Shopify store basically. Now I'm just going to tick on the boxes on the products that I would like to sell or I would like to add. So here. Now next is we are going to actually here in this section you can see the SKU, the color, the cost, the shipping fee, the price value. You could also compare the price value right there and how many stock you can push to Shopify. Alright, now here you could also see stock on Aliexpress, but that's actually grayed out. And now the next section is our description. So here you will see the specifications of the product before you can push to Shopify. So you could also edit that one out if you do want to. Now here we also have our images section. So here is like a wide variety of images that you can also push to your Shopify app store. But you can actually untick on the boxes that you don't want to add on your Shopify app store, which I'm currently doing. So you can untick the boxes in the upper left-hand corner of the photo. All right. Now, next is your shipping information. So say for example, you want to ship a specific product on a certain country like the Philippines. So you just need to search on Philippines here in the search bar. And then basically it will show you the shipping company, the shipping cost, and the estimated delivery time, as well as the tracking information. Once all done, click on save. And then what we're going to do next is to click on push to Shopify button right here. Now here in this section, you can actually see your store selection. Of course, we only have one store and that is the Moonstar. And there we also have our preferences section wherein you can actually, continue selling without stock or also publish to your online store. So you can do that one and simply push to Shopify afterwards. Now, you can see that it has successfully been pushed and you can check the status and basically there, it will route you to this pop-out. Now let's go back to our Shopify app store. But before that, let's go to our products section. So here in my products, you can actually see the synthetic wig. Alright, being added. Okay, so let's see. You can actually check details of the product. So there. Now let's go back to our Shopify app store or Shopify store rather. Now here you just need to go to the product section in the left hand panel and there you can actually see that our product has recently been added. Now the next thing that you're going to do, if you want to also make changes, you could also do that here in Shopify basically. So if you want to edit the price list, the specification, you can see that the status of the product is active. The sales channel, you could also manage that one right there. So yeah, simply edit on the information that you want to edit. Alright, now here let's try to go to our online store and let's see if our product has been added. Okay, as you can see, our synthetic wig has been added. Let's try to see our product page. And there, this is how our product page would look like. And basically that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful and bye.